And what we're going to talk about today is career roadmaps.
And so we wanted to pose to our clients, what is the office going to look like 18 to 24 months from now?
Today, we'll be hearing from sustainability leaders.
We are excited to share these two projects with you. We think there's so many good design strategies and kind of lessons learned from these that can directly apply to your Artist Boat project.
Lecture series introduce us interns to professionals across the United States and Canada. Hearing about their roles in the company gave me the opportunity to explore the possibilities for my own future.
The intern lecture series was really helpful for the work that I was doing. It was actually extremely valuable because of the speakers that were there. They were experts in their field and provided very personal tips that were applicable for us interns and applicable for your career in general. One that really stood out to me was during the lecture series for leadership.
We've also got a couple of guests with us today. We've got Gwen Morgan, who's our discipline lead for interiors. Also Megan Holmes, who's a partner of mine in Philadelphia. We also have Emery Siaroff, who's our chief people officer and our director of HR. Okay, so one of the key things you guys need to talk about is, what does leadership mean to you?
Focus on your strengths. I know a lot of times you think that you need to focus on fixing your weaknesses, but that's what other people are for. We all have different strengths that are of value. Don't make your hurdle higher than it already is. They'll make the comment, oh, well, I've only been here for a year and I'm young, so I don't understand that. There's no reason to point that out. If you have a question or don't understand something, just say, hey, would you mind explaining that further to me so I can better understand what to do next time?
I think that's so valuable for us interns because sometimes we're unfamiliar with certain things, but to show that we're really just curious. And it was just really nice to hear that from experts.
I especially appreciated the leadership lecture. I believe it encouraged us to be ambitious with our future goals and to always ask for opportunities to continue our growth in leadership. It also reminded us the importance of earning trust and respect from others on all the tasks we complete.
One of the things that was really key early on was to build trust. Demonstrating that you can take on the tasks that are given to you, that you will accomplish those tasks punctually and do a thorough job, helps establish that baseline that communicates to everyone around you that you are capable and that you're able to take on more.
I think that authenticity is key, and you're never going to be authentic until you're living what you want to live, the way you want to live it.
These tips that they provided were fantastic and something I will carry throughout my career, really.